What is ShopPay and how does it work? Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you what is ShopPay and how does it work. So first of all, you can actually go to shopify.com/shoppay and it will take you right here. ShopPay is a payment method that we can add to our Shopify store, and it allows us to reduce abandoned carts, offer buy now, pay later with ShopPay installments, and we also can earn repeat customers effortlessly. So ShopPay is actually a really good app to add to your Shopify store if you're looking for an easy payment method and for easy installments. So in order to add ShopPay to your Shopify store, actually you can go to the payment section and then you're going to click on visit Shopify app store. Or you can just go to your Shopify app store and search for shop channel, and it will take you right here. So with ShopPay, we will be able to convert more sales with accelerated checkouts. We will be able to build trust and increase transparency with the track with shop button. So we will also be able to customize mobile app storefront with assets unique to our brand. We can engage and retain customers with personalized product recommendations. We will be able to measure shop's impact on our business with key performance analytics. So it's all in one platform that gives you control for managing and optimizing your brand presence on shop. So you can add this shop pay to your Shopify store and you will be able to actually get installments with ShopPay, and it also gives you the analytics you want. It has a free trial available. You can also sign up for ShopPay if you want with your Google account or your email address. You just have to enter your phone number and get your ShopPay and then just connect it to your Shopify store, and you will be able to get easy installments and a secure payment method. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.